am currently standing in Vietnam's highest clear bottom infinity pool. This is at the Imperial Hotel in Nha Trang, and it is so cool. It cost 120,000 Vietnamese dong each to get inside, which is roughly around $6 Canadian. Okay, we're in the super fancy elevator now, going all the way up to floor 40 of this huge fancy building, and we're getting wooed. This is a fancy building. And like Carson was saying, they only have two things that matter: the check-in and the pool bar. Portion of the pool that has the glass bottom from 40 floors up. It's really freaky. There's Carson. Okay, I'm gonna put you underwater.